Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a short video of another device from Jeff's collection. This one's a little different. It's not a clock radio, it's just a clock. And it's the Equity Soft Cube Alarm Clock. And what Jeff uses it, as you can see, he's marked it up here. He uses it to have UTC time. So you can just quickly look at this clock and he knows what time it is in UTC and whether a shortwave radio station is on the air, because most of the listings for shortwave radio programs are in UTC, Universal Coordinated Time, instead of local time. That way it's applicable to everybody. So let me just take this little thing out here. It's got a soft rubberized case on top of it, surrounding it. See right here? So that makes it nice and cushioned. It's an alarm clock. Big letters. It does have a backlight. Try to get the glare off of it here. There we go. Good backlight. Shows the time, the date, and you can set an alarm. Settings here are on the back. It uses, if I can get this open easily, uses 2 AA batteries. There we go. And here's all the functions here for setting the alarm, setting the time, and turning the alarm on and off. Pretty cool. There's one thing I noticed that when I was just playing around with it, is when the alarm goes off, you can hit the snooze button and it will stop. But then after, I think, 5 minutes or so, it'll go off again. So hitting the snooze button, even like pushing and hold the snooze button, doesn't appear to shut the alarm off totally. You have to go to the back and switch the alarm off. A little quirky. And of course, I don't think Jeff uses it as an alarm. I think he uses it to provide him UTC, which right now it's 11:24 UTC, and it means it's 6:24 here in Florida. Pretty cool. Nice bright display. Good size. Pretty cool. Gotta get you one. They're $10, about $10 on Walmart, or about $11 on Amazon. But if you choose a different color, I don't remember the color, the prices vary. I don't know what that's about. But I know the cheapest one, I don't remember the color, was $10.95. Pretty neat. Does not have a radio. Does not have a radio. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.